Happy day students, a hearty welcome to everyone. Today we are going to start one word substitutions from Unit 3 book exercise. What is one word substitution? One word substitution means using a specific word replacing a wordy phrase or sentence and making it shorter, concise and clearer to understand. This way, the word becomes identical with the sentence, thus providing the same meaning as a wordy sentence. Okay, so why do we need one word substitution? One word substitutions are important as they make communication of the English language much more concise, lucid and easy. People can remember words and communicate bigger meanings through a simple word. One word substitution make our sentence more precise and reduce complexity. These substitutions also help us to classify words based on the suffixes, which make it easy to categorize them and put similar words together. Okay, let's see. Now let's see study related one word substitution. What is astronomy? Study of stars. Examples: I love this book on astronomy. Demography, study of statistics. Example sentences: the demography of the whole town population has been mapped. Physiography, the study of ancient writing and scriptures. These three university professors have been immersed in the research and study of physiography for over a decade. Geology, the study of rocks and soil. My geology homework is not going to be completed by the final submission date. Alchemy, the ancient search for a universal panacea and of the philosopher's stone. The medieval version of the study of chemistry, that is alchemy. The magician wanted to learn alchemy to master some ancient spells. Anthropology, the study of evaluation of mankind. Anthropological research helps us trace our civilization. Psychology, the study of human mind. I am really interested in studying psychology and how the mind works. Lexicography, the practice of writing dictionaries. She works in the lexicography department of the publishing house. Botany, the study of plants. Her interest in plants motivated her to pursue this course in botany. Geology, the study of rocks and soils. Do I need to study geology before going rock climbing? Philology, the study of languages. How many languages does philology covers? Okay. That is study related one word substitution. Person people related one word substitution. Philanthropist, the one who loves mankind. He became a renowned philanthropist after joining Buddhism. Optimist, the one who looks at the brighter side of everything. Louis has always been the biggest optimistic person I know. Pessimist, the one who looks at the negative, dark side of everything. I'm always on the edge of becoming a total pessimist. Atheist, the one who does not believe in God. I'm neither an atheist nor a religious person. Cannibal, the one who eats human flesh. The police caught these cannibals from the jungle. Cosmopolitan, someone who regards the world as their country. Globalization will give rise to more cosmopolitans. Gourmet, the one who loves food, good food and knows a lot about it. I could have been a gourmet if I liked spicy food. What is gourmet? The one who loves good food and knows a lot about it. Recluse, someone who lives in solitude, isolation. I want to become a recluse after I retire. Polyglot, someone who speaks more than one language. I took up Turkish to become a polyglot. Egotist, a person who boasts of one's achievements. She saw him as a thoughtless egotist. Electorate, people can vote in an election. Last year's electorate comprised of many first-time voters. Narcissist, a person who loves himself the most. John is a narcissist and will never love anyone else but himself. Cartographer, a person who draws maps, okay? A cartographer can help you find the right way through a complex forest land through his mastery of maps. Apostate, a person who abandons his religion. Watching his daughter die of cancer made Steve become an apostate. Arbitrator, a person was appointed to settle a dispute between two parties. In their final judgment, the jury presented that it is necessary for the parties to have an arbitrator to reach mutual consent. Omniscient, the one who knows everything. He is such a know-it-all, but he is not an omniscient. The one who is all-powerful, omnipotent. We often stereotype a superhero as an omnipotent, but it's important to have some flaws to make them human. Omnipresent, the one who is present everything. Technology has become synonymous with omnipresent nowadays. Octogenarian, someone who is 80 years old. My grandpa is an octogenarian, immigrant, the one who settles in another country. It is not easy being an immigrant in the USA. Humanitarian, someone who cares about mankind. She is known for her humanitarian efforts. Okay. Professional related one word substitution. Okay, the first one is astronaut. Someone trained to travel and operate a spacecraft. Kalpana Chawla is one of the greatest women astronauts. Cartographer, the one who makes maps or charts. We need a cartographer to decode these cryptic maps. Florist, someone who sells or grows flowers or studies or writes about flowers. Example, Harry is my favorite florist and I like how he gives unique facts about what every flower symbolizes. Calligrapher, someone with a beautiful handwriting. I started as a calligrapher and then became a tattoo artist. Invigilator, the supervising person during an examination. The invigilator is too lazy to even check the students in the back. Radio jockey, someone who presents or hosts a radio show. A radio jockey needs to have brilliant communication skills. Choreographer, someone who choreographs dances or tuning certain sequences of steps and movement along music. Can you find me a wedding choreographer? Curator, someone who is a custodian or the keeper of a museum. I like being a curator as I get to meet artists from different parts of the world. Misanthrope, a person who doesn't like humankind, divides himself of human society. Grinch wasn't the mean-spirited misanthrope most of us took him to be. Numismatist, a person who collects coins as a hobby. As a numismatist, I have a huge collection of currencies from almost all the countries around the world. Chauffeur, someone employed to drive a hired car. The chauffeur will come by 4 p.m. to the venue. Pedestrian, someone who walks by foot. This side of the road is for pedestrians. Introvert, someone who is reserved and shy. I like being an introvert and I'm happy with a small circle. Okay. It's related one word substitution. Eon, indefinite period of time. Those days become boring, eon and too long to pass. Aesthetics, appreciation of beauty by a set of principles. I found this website quite appealing, especially because of its aesthetics. Blizzard, Spartan snowstorms with uncontrollable winds. On our way back to the hotel, we got caught in a blizzard. Bohemian, an eccentric manner of living. She felt embarrassed when her friends made fun of her bohemian clothing. Bonfire, huge fire for celebration. The campers spent their night by the bonfire. Bonsai, dwarfed varieties of trees, shrubs in parts. Her room was filled with bonsai plants. Hinterland, the remote regions of a country which are far away from the rivers. Her cottage was situated in a hinterland deprived of any beautiful scenery. Embroglio, complex situation or a mix-up. The romantic embroglio happened when he met my landlords, assuming they were my parents. Rejuvenate, make someone feel young. This exploiting script can completely rejuvenate your skin. Okay, what is rejuvenate? Make someone feel young. Remiss, not showing enough care and attention. I realized that she was totally remiss in finishing her daily task. Kennel, a shelter for a dog. Our new pup spent all his day hiding inside the kennel. Lair, where wild animals live. I found a hidden lair in the forest but was too afraid to go inside it. Mint, a place where coins are made. This industrial facility is actually a mint which manufactures coins. Mundane, ordinary and dull. I am bored with the mundane life of the quarantined days. Posthumous. Published after someone's death, Mr. Smith's posthumous works brought him an immense number of accolades. Pedagogy, the profession of teaching or the approach or style of teaching. It was his unique approach to pedagogy that made him every student's favorite. Regalia, the symbols of royalty. The queen was adorned in full regalia. Thearchy, a political system solely based on the government of men by God. The village was ruled by the system of thearchy. Oath, a person promises to tell the truth in court. I couldn't disrespect the oath and thus revealed everything. Nascent, beginning to exist and evolve. Biotechnology bloomed from a nascent sector to a booming industry. Virtue, ethically good behavior one has. Patience is seen as a virtue of a man. Satire, humor that describes the weaknesses. Ghasiram Gotwal is an incredibly written satire on the political scenario of Maharashtra in the early 20th century. Veer, changing the direction of one's path suddenly. He veered the car in the other direction as a deer came in the way. Savor, enjoy something for an extended time. Don't forget to savor this delectable wine. Scapegoat, someone who is wrongly blamed for things that others have done. They used him as a scapegoat to accuse him on the whole conspiracy. Tannery, space where animal hides are tanned. The leather for this coat has been skinned in the tannery. Tannery, space where animal hides are tanned. The leather for this coat has been skinned in the tannery. Tenacious, determined to achieve something. She was tenacious enough to chase after her dream of becoming a film actor. Screech, the sounds of parrots. I woke up in the screeching of birds by the window. Misnomer, using a word or name that is inappropriate. It's quite a misnomer to call it a victory since he scored the lowest marks in the test. Monarchy, a government that has a monarch as the head. With the king ruled the country, the monarchy is different from a democracy. Grunge, the sound of camels. In the vastness of the desert, the only sound you can hear is a constant grunting camels from far away. Fiesta, even manifested by festivities. Last night's party was a total fiesta. Wine, the ranting of a person. Akriti is always whining about the leather.